The world's first landing gear system for an aircraft was invented by Leonardo da Vinci. When da Vinci was contemplating his flying machines, he took into consideration that what goes up must come down. With this in mind, he invented a way to safely land his creations by coming up with the first ideas of retractable landing gear. This image is taken from a sketch regarding da Vinci's ornithopter, his idea for a human-powered flying machine. From the top you can see mechanics that were designed to imitate the flapping motion of a bird, but on the bottom you can clearly see early renditions of retractable landing gear. The landing gear mechanism was designed to either be dropped under its own weight or retracted by the pull of a string. Although da Vinci had the original idea for landing gear, the person who is credited for developing the first retractable landing gear is Leroy Grumman. In 1929, Grumman designed an aircraft featuring retractable landing gear. Leroy Grumman's greatest passion was to make the perfect flying machine. He earned a degree in mechanical engineering, learning to fly in the Navy, and studied aeronautics. He went on to found one of the largest and most innovative aviation companies in the world, Grumman Aircraft Engineering Corps, acquired by Northrop Corps in 1994. Looking to land a coveted contract to build a Navy plane in the future, he agreed to build an amphibian float with retractable landing gear to get his foot in the door. His lightweight but solid design impressed the Navy so much it asked him in 1931 to adapt the retractable landing gear to the Navy's Boeing biplane fighters. No military fighter had ever had such gear. Grumman didn't like the idea. If his retractable gear was to be used, he wanted it on a Grumman plane. There are two main types of landing gear.
The tricycle arrangement has one wheel in the front called the nose wheel, or two or more main wheels slightly aft of the center of gravity. Because of the ease of operating tricycle gear aircraft on the ground, the configuration is the most widely used on aircrafts. Several early aircrafts had primitive tricycle gear, notably the Curtiss pushers of the early 1910s. Waldo Waterman's 1929 tailless Whatsit was one of the first to have a steerable nose wheel. A seaplane is a powered fixed-wing aircraft capable of taking off and landing or alighting on water. Seaplanes and amphibian planes are usually divided into two categories based on their technological characteristics: floatplanes and flying boats. Flying boats are generally far larger and carry far more.